Literally someone. There's kids in the room because I can hear them.
From the solar plant. When they install the new solar panels, they use this to clear the area. And look, it's close to 20 times they've used it over 30 years. There's tons of plants since they've done. That's the job. My team already went ahead. All we do is load the truck.
Yo. I think the kids on me. I'm into the house. I just come up there and I open the windows. And then I get out of the house. Okay, now guys, I made it back home. People were chasing me and then they were good. And they punched me in the back and I stand up for myself and then I punched them back.